Eroded shorelines aren't just an eyesore. They can degrade water quality, create safety issues, shrink waterfront property, and damage assets like home foundations or turf. Lake and pond erosion occurs naturally due to strong winds, rain, and wildlife. But human activities like urban development, poor drainage, and recreation uses can accelerate sediment loss. This may occur gradually over many years, or rapidly over a few months. Eventually, the shoreline will need to be reinforced or rebuilt. A new living shoreline can be quickly constructed using bioengineering techniques. Durable geotextile mesh materials are filled with sand or soil, and then are physically anchored to the stable part of the shoreline, helping restore and strengthen the bank for many years. Once the shoreline is repaired and reinforced, grass or native vegetation can be planted on top, and their roots will penetrate through the system to help anchor the system and create a living shoreline. In addition to providing a beautiful focal point, these plants serve as a natural protective barrier. The deep root systems help stabilize soil and filter pollutants from stormwater runoff. Living buffers also slow the water as it flows over the shoreline to help limit future deterioration. In many cases, bioengineered living shorelines can help extend waterfront properties by several feet, helping to increase aesthetics and property values. Though more budget-friendly erosion solutions like regrading, riprap, bulkheads, and coconut fiber logs are available, these choices are less natural-looking, have an increased risk of failure, and are not as likely to provide long-term shoreline stabilization. A bioengineered living shoreline is not only an investment in the value of your property, it will help promote a safer, healthier, more beautiful environment that can be enjoyed for years to come.